Beneath the shields, the heartbeats skip. In corridors where shadows slip, cameras blind, the rules unspoken. In their ranks, the trust is broken. Resistance in ranks, silent stares. Behind the scenes, nobody dares. Eyes averted from the lens sight, hiding wrongs that feel like right. Voices low, the murmurs spread. Fear and duty, thinly tread. No record of the things they see. In the dark, what will be, will be. They stand together yet alone. Secrets buried, truth overthrown. A pact of silence, tightly drawn. In the whispers of the dawn. Resistance in ranks, silent stares. Behind the scenes, nobody dares. Eyes averted from the lens sight, hiding wrongs that feel like right. In the shadow of the bars, where the line between right blurs, resistance lives where secrets rank. In the quiet, a silent thank. Beneath the shields, the heartbeats skip. In corridors where shadows slip,